Before you try to crack any password, you need one powerful weapon: a word list. Without a good word list, even the best hacking tools will fail. A word list is simply a file that contains a list of possible passwords. Instead of guessing randomly, hackers use word lists to speed up attacks. For example, a word list might contain passwords like admin123, password, QWERTY, and thousands more. Here's a secret. Password cracking is not about tools. It's about the word list. If your word list is good, your success rate increases massively. The first tool we'll use is called Crunch. Crunch allows you to generate custom word lists based on patterns. You can install it using the command sudo apt install crunch. Let's say the target uses passwords between 6 and 8 characters and only uses letters and numbers. We can generate a word list like this: crunch 6 8 abc 12 3-0 wordlist.txt. This will create thousands of possible passwords automatically. As you can see, we successfully generated the target word list file named wordlist.txt. Don't generate huge word lists blindly. Always think about the target. Smart word list beats large word list. Now let's move to a more advanced tool, CeWL. CeWL creates word lists by scraping real websites. You can install it using the command sudo apt install CeWL. For example, if your target is a company website, you can extract words directly from it. CeWL-wordlist.txt https://ginandjuice.shop. Now you have a custom word list based on the target. People often use passwords related to their environment: company name, favorite words, internal terms, and CeWL helps you capture that. Now imagine combining Crunch and CeWL. You create a smart word list and then use it with powerful tools. That's when real hacking begins. In the next part, we'll start using real attack tools, and I'll show you how to actually crack login systems step by step. This is where things get serious.